Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a leg workout. This workout consists of 8 exercises. We are going to be doing 8 repetitions per exercise, and this is meant to be done 3 to 4 times. So before you get started, make sure you do warm up. We're going to start with step-ups on the bench. We'll do 8 with each leg leading. All right, then 8 with the other foot leading. Good. All right, next exercise, split squat. Some water. Okay, so split squat. You're gonna put one foot on the bench and get your weights. We'll do 4 per leg. So you're gonna squat down like that. We'll switch sides. Good. All right, deadlifts. So I'll turn to the side to show you. You want a slight bend in your knee, hold your weights in front, and bend down. Try to keep that back as straight as possible. Good. Next, goblet squats. So for this, you're gonna grab a weight. You're gonna hold it up here. We'll do 8 of these. Good. All right, 4 exercises down, 4 more to go. So next, we're gonna do walking lunges. So we'll do 4 per leg. Good. All right. Next is a sumo squat. So a little different than a goblet squat. You're gonna hold your weight lower and get a really wide base. We'll do 8 of those. Try to keep that back as straight as possible. Good. All right, next, we're gonna do hip thrusts. So you're gonna put your shoulders on the bench, and we're gonna hip thrust 8 times. Good job. And last exercise of the round, we're going to do side lunges, 4 per leg. All right, so that is your first round. Again, this is meant to be done 3 to 4 more times. Up to you. Do what feels good for you. Don't overdo it. And after you exercise, make sure you cool down after. Stretch those muscles out. Thank you for joining us.